First one, find a unit normal vector. Find a unit normal vector. Unit normal vector to the surface. To the surface xy cube z square. Xy cube z square at the point -1 -1 2. So find a unit normal vector to the surface xy cube z square at the point -1 -1 2. Okay, so write down the solution. First, given surface, we have to give the name for the given surface. So given surface phi is equal to x y cube z square. Given surface phi is equal to x y cube z square. Okay, and next, what is the formula? We have to use that one. The unit normal vector to the surface phi. So we give phi name at the point -1 -1 2 is. So this is a formula, you can remember that, and this is simply we are using e cap or e bar. So which is nothing but simply we have to use the formula del phi at point -1 -1 2 at -1 -1 2 by modulus del phi at this point, modulus del phi. So this is the formula, you need to remember that. So finding unit normal vector is nothing but del phi at this point by modulus del phi m. So now first we have to find del phi. So del phi is equal. So already we said what about del? Del is nothing but I dou by dou x plus j bar dou by dou y plus k bar dou by dou z into phi is nothing but what about phi there? Xy cube z square. Xy cube z square. Now you have to multiply this one with that scalar I into dou by dou x of xy cube z square plus j into dou by dou y of xy cube z square plus k into dou by dou z of xy cube z square xy cube z square. So this is equal I into. So with respect to x, we are applying partial derivative, means y and z are constants. Here it is having dou by dou x of x is nothing but 1m. It means simply what will get y cube z square plus j into. So with respect to y, we are applying, here it is having y cube m. Y cube derivative is nothing but 3y square. So that is nothing but simply what we can write 3xy square z square plus k bar into dou by dou z of this one. With respect to z is nothing but, so z square derivative is 2z none, right? So 2xy cube zm. So this is del phi none. And now we need to find del phi at a specific point, right? Del phi at the point here it is having -1 -1 2m. So this is equal. Now you have to substitute. This is nothing but x, and this is nothing but y, and this is nothing but z. In place of x, y, z, you have to substitute the values. Y cube is nothing but -1 whole cube, and z square is nothing but 2 square plus j into 3 into x is nothing but -1, and y square is nothing but -1 whole square, and z square is nothing but 2 square plus k into 2 into x is nothing but -1, and y cube is nothing but -1 whole cube, and z is nothing but 2 none. I into, so here it is, what will get them? So -1 whole cube is nothing but -1, and 2 square is nothing but 4m. So -4 plus j into, so what will get? Here it is having So this is nothing but minus 1 whole cube is minus 1m. So 4 into 3 minus 12 plus k into, so this is nothing but minus 1 whole power 4, that is nothing but 1. So 2 into 2 is nothing but 4. So this is del phi at this point and remaining what we require, magnitude we require. So that is nothing but modulus del phi. So modulus del phi is equal, just how to find this one. So here it is what we got it there, del phi at point minus 1 minus 1 2, what we got it there. So we got it as minus 4i, right? Minus 4i minus 12j plus 4k, right? This one we got it. Now we require magnitude, right? Modulus del phi at this point. So modulus del phi at this point. And now, so this is nothing but how to find the magnitude of this sum of squares of coefficients of I, j and k. Minus 4 whole square, minus 12 whole square, and this is nothing but 4 square now. So simply what we'll get here, it is having, so 4 square is nothing but 16, and this is 144. 12 square is nothing but 144 plus 4 square is nothing but 16. So this is simply, we'll get it as, this is nothing but square root of 176. Okay. And now, so what about unit normal vector? Finally, del phi at the point minus 1 minus 1 2, right, by modulus del phi. Now you can substitute those values. If you substitute in that, what we get, minus 4i minus 12j plus 4k by square root of, what about the value, 176. Okay, so 176. Now if you want, you can write can you write, this is nothing but minus 4i minus 12j plus 4k by, so here it is, can you write this one as a 4? Okay, so this is nothing but 4 3s or 16 11s are 16 11. So this is nothing but simply what we'll get. So this is square root of 16 is nothing but 4, and then minus 4i minus 12j plus 4k by, so this is nothing but 4 root 11. So 4 is the common one. If you take that one as common, minus I minus 3j plus k by root 11. So this is the way you need to find unit normal vector. Okay, so unit normal vector is nothing but just simply you need to remember that the formula is del phi at this point, at the point, particular point, by magnitude of that one. So this is the way we need to find unit normal vector. The next problem, find the norm vector. So simply they may ask norm or normalum. So find the norm vector and unit normal and unit normal to the surface that is equal x square minus y square at 2 1 root 3 2 1 root 3. Okay, so here it is. If you observe that, there it is having two questions they asked. What are those two questions? One is norm vector, another one is unit normal vector. Two questions they asked. So here it is, norm vector is nothing but simply will say that magnitude, nothing in that. Okay, so modulus del phi is nothing but normal vector anna norm vector anna rendu okate. Keep in mind. So norm vector or normal vector both are same. So here if you observe that there it is, they asked two questions. One is normal vector, another one is unit normal vector. Okay. So first we have to give the name for the given surface. The given surface is nothing but here it is having, let phi of xyz is equal. Phi of xyz is equal. So take all the terms into one side. That is nothing but x square minus y square minus z. So this is the given surface sum. And now first you find del phi. So del phi is nothing but, so already we know that. So I into dou phi by dou x, that is nothing but dou by dou x of x square minus y square minus z plus j into dou by dou y of dou by of x square minus y square minus z plus k into dou by dou z of dou by dou z of x square minus y square minus z. And now simply you need to apply partial derivatives. X with respect to x square derivative is 2x. Rest of the two are constants. Plus j into dou by dou y of this one is nothing but minus 2ym plus k into dou by dou z of this one is nothing but minus 1, right? So just I applied partial derivative with respect to x to the given surface, with respect to y, and with respect to z. Now you have to substitute the point. So del phi at the point 2 1 root 3. 2 1 root 3m. Just you can substitute the point here. It is 2 into 2 plus j into minus 2ym minus 2 into y is nothing but 1 plus k into, here it is nothing to substitute in that, so minus 1 as it is. And simply what will get it here, it is having, this is nothing but 4i and minus 2j minus km. Okay. And now norm vector is nothing but, simply you have to write this one, norm vector or normal vector. Norm vector or normal vector is nothing but modulus del phi. Okay, modulus del phi at this point is nothing but simply what we'll write. So square root of 4 square plus minus 2 whole square plus minus 1 whole square. So which is equal, this is simply what we can write, 16 plus 4 plus 1. So this is square root of 21. This is only normal vector we are saying. And now our norm vector. And now unit normal vector. Unit normal vector. Unit normal vector to the given surface phi at that point is nothing but E cap. If you observe some of the textbook, they may give E cap or simply E bar. So this is nothing but what we said, del phi at that point. Suppose if the point is P, we are saying by modulus del phi. Modulus del phi. So which is equal, simply what we can write, 4i minus 12, sorry, 2j minus k by square root of 21. Square root of 21. So directly we are right. Okay. So this is unit normal vector and normal vector. Okay. Now, so if they ask unit normal vector is nothing but, simply you need to remember that del phi at that particular point by modulus del phi. Suppose here it is having without surface, directly if they mention vector. Okay, so vector icharan konam. Here nothing they give surface, directly vector they give. You need to write the formula as a bar by modulus a bar. Okay, vector what they mentioned, that one we need to write, and magnitude of that vector. Okay, so scalar is, if they give scalar, we convert it into vector and then we apply it. If they give directly vector, you need to write vector by magnitude of that vector. Okay, next. So these are the problems, you can practice this one. So here it is. Find the unit normal vector to the surfaces. So x, y, z square is equal to 20. 20 at 112. At 112. And next one, x square y plus 2xz is equal to 4. 2xz is equal to 4 at 2 minus 2, 3. 2 minus 2, 3. And next, x square plus y square plus 2z square is equal 26 at 223 at 223. So for all these problems, if you observe that they give surfaces and specific point, you need to find unit normal vectors. So you need to find unit normal vectors. So that is nothing but. So if we choose first one, so what we'll get? I'm writing directly here. Del phi is nothing but simply what we'll get. So del phi is nothing but here it is having yz square I, and next with respect to y means simply what will get xz square z, and next k is nothing but here it is with respect to z means 2xyzk 2xyzk, and next del phi at this point none. So if you substitute del phi at this point, del phi at p, so simply what we'll get, if you substitute here x is 1 and y is 1, z is 2. It means simply we'll get it as 4i, and next xz square is nothing but 4z, and next 2xyz is nothing but 4k. So this is del phi at this point. And next unit normal vector is nothing but E bar is equal simply 4i plus 4j plus 4k by square root of simply what we have to write. So 16 plus 16 plus 16. Okay. So this is simply, if you want, you can take 4 as common one, I plus j plus k by, and here it is having 16 plus 16 plus 16 now. So 16 whole cube. So this is 30, 36, 42 and 48. 48. So this is nothing but simply we can write I plus j plus k by. So here it is 48 is nothing but 12 fours are and simply square root of 12. Okay. So this is our. Okay. So like this, you need to find a unit normal vector. So for rest of the two problems, if people can solve it. Okay. So unit normal vector is nothing but first you need to find del phi of at this point and then magnitude of that one. Okay. And next problem. Okay. Next one, prove that del r power n is equal n into r power n minus 2 n into r power n minus 2 capital R. Okay, capital R they may give r in place of this r bar. Okay, so capital R in place of this one small r bar, where capital R is equal xi plus yj plus zk plus zk. So prove that del r power n is equal to n into r power n minus 2 into r bar, or simply they may give capital R. Okay. In some of the cases they may mention this capital R, or if they don't mention, we have to choose as it is. Okay. So write on that one. First, let r bar is equal to r capital R is equal r bar r capital R is equal simply what we have to write xi plus yj plus zk. And now what about the magnitude of this one? What we said, r is equal modulus of r bar is equal square root of x square plus y square plus z square. X square plus y square plus z square, and then r square is equal squaring on both sides, simply what we'll get, x square plus y square plus z square. Now you need to apply partial derivative to this one with respect to x sum. So with respect to x, if you are applying partial derivative, r square derivative is 2r, and then derivative of r is nothing but dou r by dou x, which is equal to 2x. Here it is having 2 both will cancel, and then dou r by dou x is equal simply what we'll get, x by rm. Dou r by dou x is equal x by r. And next in the same way, similarly, what we can write, dou r by dou y is equal, dou r by dou y is equal y by r, and dou r by dou z is equal z by r. So up to this one, you need to remember from fourth unit as well as fifth unit. If you are getting r in the problem, obviously from here to here, you need to remember the complete one. Whether they mention r or they don't mention xi plus yz plus zk, you need to take this one. Okay. Now coming to the problem, here it is having del r power n. So del r power n is equal. So del r power n is equal. So here it is, del is nothing but I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. K dou by dou z into r power n. So now del r power n is equal. Here it is, you can calculate the entire one, or simply you can choose only first summation I coefficient you can calculate, and after expansion of that you can extend that one for j as well as km. So simply we can write summation I dou by dou x of r power n. So which is equal summation I into dou by dou x of r power n. R power n derivative. So there it is having first we wrote del r power nm. So del r power n is equal nothing but I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z into r power n. And we are writing summation for this I into dou by dou x of r power n. So we are applying derivative for this r power n derivative is nothing but n r power n minus 1 into r derivative dou r by dou x. And next, we are not doing any changes. This one as this we wrote, and already we calculated dou r by dou x is nothing but x by rm. And next, so x as this and r power n minus 1. Just I am taking 1 by r into the numerator. It changes to r power minus 1m. And then simply what we can write n into r power n minus 2m. So is equal. So this is a constant one. Simply you can write that one outside. N r power n minus 2 into summation I for xm. So this is only for x we calculated. Sorry, I coefficient we calculated. Same like that, if we calculate what we'll get, n r power n minus 2 we'll get for all the terms with respect to y, with respect to z. And after expanding the summation, so xi plus next sum in place of x, what will get y, right? Yj plus in place of this one z will get. So zk bar. So n r power n minus 2 into xi plus yj plus zk. So this is nothing but already they gave in the problem capital R, right? Or simply you can write it as r bar. Okay. So you can write the summation. If you are getting confusion, you can take it as individual one. So that is nothing but dou by. Yes, without summation also you can calculate. Nothing will wrong. Okay. So you can take it as all these things same as it is, you will get them. Suppose if you are not taking summation, you will get it as plus j into dou by dou I of r power n plus k into dou by dou z of r power n. And next step, summation j into, not summation, plus j into n into r power n minus 1 dou r by dou y plus k into n into r power n minus 1 dou r by dou z. Okay, like that we also you can calculate, nothing will wrong. Okay, so you can apply summation or directly you can do it, any one of the way you can follow that. Okay, and next problem, show that del f of r is equal, del f of r is equal f dash of r by r into r bar, f dash of r by r into r bar, where r bar is equal, whether they mention or they don't mention, you need to remember r bar is nothing but xi plus yj plus zk, xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar, or capital R also they can mention in place of r bar. Same, we'll solve this one by as usual, same like this. By taking summation, you can calculate, or separately also will calculate it. I will show you how to calculate separately also. So here it is, first what they mentioned, r bar they mentioned, that is nothing but position vector. Let r bar is equal to xi plus yj plus zk be a position vector. And next immediately you can calculate magnitude for this. R is equal mod r bar is equal square root of, this is nothing but x square plus y square plus z square, right? And then r square is equal, simply what we wrote, x square plus y square plus z square. By applying partial derivative, what we got it for this, dou r by dou x is equal to x by r, and dou r by dou y is equal to y by r, and dou r by dou z is equal to z by r. Dou r by dou z is equal to z by r. So this is the information you people have to know, that whether they, if they mention position vector in the problem. Now coming to the problem, del f of rm. So del f of r is equal, del f of r is equal. So already we know that del is nothing but what we said, I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z into f of rm, f of r. So this is equal, you can multiply f of r inside of the terms, then I into dou by dou x of f of r plus j into dou by dou y of f of r plus k into dou by dou z of f of r, dou by dou z of f of rm. So this is equal I into, first we need to apply derivative for the functionum. So it is not only r, here it is having function in terms of r. It means simply like as a chain rule. So f dash of r into r derivative is dou r by dou x. It means we are applying chain rule, dou f by dou x into dou r by dou x. So f dash of r into dou r by dou x plus j into, again same thing. First we need to apply derivative for function, then we'll get it as f dash of r into dou r by dou y plus k into, same first with respect to function, and then r, dou r by dou z. So this is equal, if you observe that each and every term, which one is the common one, f dash of r is the common one. So we took that one as common. And what about remaining, I into dou r by dou x sum, that one already we calculated, that is nothing but x by r, and dou r by dou y is nothing but y by r, and dou r by dou z is nothing but z by r. So I into, that is, now here it is, if you observe that each and every term, which one is the common one, r is the common one, right? So f dash of r by rm, and then what about remaining, there it is having xi plus yz plus zk. So this is nothing but already they mentioned, that is nothing but r bar. So simply what we can write, f dash of r by r into r bar. Okay, same this one you can write from there onwards, here onwards, simply you can write summation I into dou by dou x of f of y. Like this also you can write. Okay, so summation you can write and then you can calculate it. Any one of the way you can follow that. Nothing will wrong either this way or this way. Which one is easy for you? That one you can follow that. Okay, so either you can write summation or you can write each and every term. Okay, next. Next one. If del u is equal, if del u is equal to r power 4 capital R, to r power 4 capital R, then find u, then find um. So this one. So here it is one condition they give. By using that condition, what we need to calculate? You need to calculate them. Okay. So by using that condition, we need to calculate that one. Here it is, if you observe that R is there, it means obviously you need to know that from here to here. So let R bar is equal to xi plus yz plus zk, and magnitude of this one. And next dou r by dou x, all these things you need to remember immediately if it is mentioned in the problem as R. And now you have to take the condition what they mentioned. So here it is having del u is equal, this is the condition they mentioned in the problem, 2r power 4 into capital R. So here it is, del u is nothing but, del means already we know that, that is nothing but I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z into right? Into u. So this is equal, simply what we can write, 2 into, so r power 4, can you write this one as r square whole square, r square whole square and capital R. And now you can multiply u inside of that one. So if you multiply u inside of that, then simply what we'll get here, it is having I into dou u by dou x plus j into dou u by dou y plus k into dou u by dou z, dou u by dou z. So this is equal to into, why we require the vector, why? Because for we require u value, so and for comparison on both sides we require the value of vector, we require vector. Here left side we have the vector, in right side also we have the vector, we require the vector. So for that, simply what we can write, 2 into, what about r square? So r square is nothing but, already we know that, right? So r square is nothing but x square plus y square plus z square, right? X square plus y square plus z square, this is r square, but whole square is there, whole square into, what about capital R? So capital R R bar, that is nothing but simply what we can write, xi plus yj plus zk, xi plus yz plus zk. And now source is equal to, you can multiply this term with this vector, and then what will get, 2x into x square plus y square plus z square whole square into I plus 2x 2y into x square plus y square plus z square whole square into j plus 2 z into x square plus y square plus z square whole square into k bar. Just I multiplied this entire term with this one. Okay. So first term 2x into this total one plus 2y into this total one plus 2z into this total one. Okay. Now comparing the coefficients of I, j and k on both sides. And then what we'll get here, it is having, in left side I coefficient is nothing but dou u by dou x, right? Here it is. And what about I coefficient in right side? That is nothing but 2x into x square plus y square plus z square whole square. Dou u by dou y is equal 2y into x square plus y square plus z square whole square. And next, dou u by dou z is equal dou u by dou z is equal, what we'll get? Dou u by dou z is equal 2z into x square plus y square plus z square whole square. So this is dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, and dou u by dou z. I require u, right? So for this, simply what we can write, so here it is having integrating on both sides, integrating on both sides, integrating on both sides. Okay, then u is equal integral dou u by dou x is equal integral, what we'll get, 2x into x square plus y square plus z square whole square dx, whole square dx sum. So here it is having integral dou u by dou x is nothing but u will get. And what about this? Is there any formula notation? This one, integral f dash of x into f dash of x into f of x dx. Integral f dash of x into f of x dx sum. Okay, so this is nothing but simply what we can write, not this, f dash of x into f of x whole power nm. Okay, then what is the formula for this? F of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1, n plus 1 by n plus 1m. So here it is, if you observe that this is nothing but f dash of x and this is nothing but f of x sum. So this is just, we can read it as f of x and this is f dash of x. Is the formula applicable or not? So x square plus y square plus z square. What is the derivative with respect to x we are doing? So for this, x square derivative is nothing but 2x, right? And obviously these are zeros. And in place of n, what we have? 2m. It means simply what we'll get, x square plus y square plus z square whole n plus 1. 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3 by 3 and plus constant. So that constant we can treat it as, here it is having f of 1 of y comma z. That is constant, right? Obviously y and z are also constants. In the same way, next if you are choosing another one, what will get same that one or not? Integral dou u by dou y is equal integral 2y into x square plus y square plus z square whole square dy with respect to y. And then we'll get it as this. There is no change here. This is f dash of y and this is f of y and a whole power n. So that is simply what we'll get, x plus y plus z whole cube, x square plus y square plus z square whole cube by 3 plus constant, that is nothing but f2 of y comma z. It is with respect to y and z, so x comma z. And third one also you can take as this, integral dou u by dou z is equal integral 2z into x square plus y square plus z square whole square dz. And then simply what we'll get, integral dou u by dou z is nothing but u, and simply we'll get it as x square plus y square plus z square whole cube by 3 plus f3 of x comma, sorry, with respect to z, so x comma y. But we require so final u we require. So by using equation 1, 2 and 3, suppose if we want, you can give the names for this. This is 1 and this is 2 and this is 3. So from 1, 2 and 3, so simply we have to take it as which one is the common in those 3, 1, 2 and 3. What we got it there, u is equal to x square plus y square plus z square whole cube by 3. Is there any common one or not? Is this only common one? This is the one and this is the one and this is the one. Here it is having, already we know that x square plus y square plus z square is nothing but what? R square, right? X square plus y square plus z square is equal r square. So this is r cube. Of course, so there it is having constant also there, plus c. I'm taking plus c. Source is equal r power 6 by 3 plus constant k power m whole power nm. Okay, this is the value of u.